Renovation could be the biggest test for your relationship. And whether you're married or you're just in a partnership with somebody and you're going into a property to either do a new construction build or you're doing to renovate it, that process is brutal. It never fails that one person is more passionate about it than the other person. You're always going to disagree about something, whether it be fixtures or budget or timing, and then don't forget, things are going to go wrong. Things are going to be more expensive. The city coming out saying, hey, you know what, you have to put in a retaining wall, it's another $25,000, $50,000. You have someone come back with a change order that, oh, we didn't know that this was going to happen, we're going to have to spend more money here. I had some clients ordering a door. You'd think that'd be easy, right? Wait 9 months to get a door that never came, and then had to go find a door from another project that was not being used because the supply chain was so messed up. Now, what does that mean for the relationship? It means that during that whole time, you're in drywall dust. You have workers coming in at 8 o'clock in the morning, tracking through your place. Your house is not a place that you want to go and live in. It's not relaxing. It's just stressful. By the time you're done with this process, one or both of these people could be like, you know what, I don't want anything to do with this person or this project because you've had such a negative experience along the line. And I'm not trying to say that because it's a bad thing to do. I'm just saying that that is consistently on a high percentage basis how these things net out. There's been not more than once, very frequent that people get together to build their dream home, and by the time they're done building the dream home, they want a divorce. It's a lot of money, it's a lot of stress, it's a lot of unknowns, and I never recommend anyone do it that's not super passionate, both sides committed, they're all in to having this, because it's kind of like having a third partner. You've got to all be committed and ready to commit to that and be on board with that for however long it takes to get to the other side. It's going to be worse than you imagine. Talk to anybody, they'll tell you the truth, contractors as well. Honestly, for the point of why you're doing it, it's not worth it. For that extra, profit that you're going to get out of the house, or to have that special home, you'd be better off just going buying one that's already done, or buying somebody else's home that they built. Unless you and your partner are fully committed, never renovate.